गोंय सरकारान गोंयकारांक कजिनोत खेळपाक बंदी हाडपी कायदो केला, पूण ह्या कायद्याक आव्हान दिवं येता म्हणपाचे मंत्री लोबोवन सांगला. कजिनोत भितर वचपाक बंदीक हाडूंक शकना, कित्याक तर जुगार सोडल्यार खुबश्यो मनरिजवणेच्यो गजाली थंय आसात जांचो लाव गोंयकार घेवंक शकता. ही बंदी हाडपाक सरकाराचेर कोणाचें चेपण आसा ह्या पत्रकाराच्या प्रस्नाक जाप दितना मंत्री लोबो म्हणटा आदले मुखेलमंत्री पर्रीकर, लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर आनी आतांचे मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत हांचे हेच म्हणणें आसा, पूण उच्च न्यायालय आनी सर्वोच्च न्यायालयाच्या कायद्यांत हें कशें बसता तें पळोवचें पडटलें. RDX खातीर परवरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
We used to always speak, not only me, 2-3 MLAs used to speak about gaming commissioner to regulate the casinos. Very important it is. Also, we had to see there was concern about a lot of people from Goa that Goans should not be allowed to play inside in the casino. This demand was put before ex-Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. It went to Law Department. There were so many queries about it. How do we ban Goans entering, playing in a casino? Now there are two words in this: entering and playing. I think entering a casino, Goan cannot be banned. This is very important. See, entering a casino which is legally given by the government of Goa, license is being given, we cannot ban entry to a vessel where there is also casinos inside, there is other entertainment, music is there, children's play area is there, so we cannot stop an entry of a Goan going into a casino. About playing gambling is banned. This is what I feel the notification is all about. Gambling in a casino is banned for a Goan. Now this is also, we have brought a law to do this, but it can be challenged in the court of law. I am not saying it cannot be challenged. So let us wait and watch.
Government has been debating on this issue of banning Goans from gambling in casinos. This is happening for last so many years, and suddenly the CM, the government has come out with this order. Is it because of some pressure, or
there is no pressure? Because this is going on for a long time, and Manohar Parrikar had given a commitment to ban local Goan people from going into a casino. Lakshmikant Parsekar ji also had given a commitment on this. Pramod Sawant in his last assembly also gave a commitment on this. Now this commitment is coming into reality. But how lawfully it will fit in High Court or in Supreme Court, we will have to see. कौन वसोंक ना कोर्टान, but I don't think casino owners will want to go to court. But somebody may go in court that I am having money, I am a Goan, I have money. Sometimes I want to go and gamble legally, which is allowed by government of Goa. But such laws are there in other countries. I am not talking about India. So this is, I feel this is a little technical law which had to be debated again, which had to be taken the highest approval. Law department has done it, but highest approval in such of Advocate General, Solicitor General's opinion means some very knowledgeable ex-judges. We had to take this opinion because it is finally you are banning an entry of an Indian. We cannot say Goan.